In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple money counter animation inside DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure your clip is selected, then switch to the Fusion page. Now, hold Shift and Space to open the Select Tool window. Type in Text Plus, then click Add. This will create a Text Plus node in your node tree. Select the Text Plus node, then go to the inspector. Right-click on Text 1 and choose Edit Controls. In the window that appears, rename the control to Money Counter, and under Page, set it to Text. Next, enable Integer and set the range from 0 to 10,000. Make sure Slider Control is selected, then click OK. Now, right-click in the text field of the Text Plus node and choose Expression. Inside the Expression editor, link it to the custom control we just created. You can do this by typing quotation mark, $, closing quotation mark, 2 dots, text1.moneyCounter. This makes the text display the integer value of the slider, turning it into a dynamic number display. Once that's done, go back to the inspector. You'll see the new Money slider under the Text tab. Click the keyframe icon beside it to animate. Move your playhead forward a few seconds, then increase the money value to the maximum. When you play it back, you'll see the number smoothly count up, just like a money counter. And that's it! You've created a clean and customizable money counter animation inside DaVinci Resolve.